Have you ever wondered what big data is? Let's dive into this fascinating world. Big data, as the name implies, is a term that encapsulates a voluminous amount of data, both structured, like databases, and unstructured, such as social media posts or images, that a business encounters every single day. The sheer size of this data can be overwhelming, but let's try to simplify it. Imagine you're standing in a colossal library, a library so vast it makes the Library of Congress look like a bookshelf. This library is in constant expansion, with billions of books being added frequently. Now imagine you're a business trying to find one specific book in this ever-growing library. That's the challenge that businesses face when dealing with big data. They need to sift through this massive pile of information to find the nuggets of gold hidden within. So, in a nutshell, big data is like a vast ocean of information. You may now be wondering, why is big data important? Well, let's put it this way. Imagine you're trying to complete a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece of data is like a puzzle piece. The more pieces you have, the clearer the picture becomes. That's what big data does. It provides a wealth of information that, when pieced together, offers a comprehensive view of your business landscape. Big data is crucial for businesses. It helps them make well-informed decisions backed by extensive information. Think of it as a compass, guiding businesses in the right direction, helping them understand their market, their customers, and their competition better. The benefits don't stop at decision-making. Big data also improves operations. It identifies bottlenecks, streamlines processes, and optimizes resources. On top of that, it enhances customer service by providing insights into customer behavior and preferences. Therefore, big data is not just about the volume of data, but what organizations do with it. What does the future hold for big data? As we gaze into our technological crystal ball, it's clear that the future of big data is not just big, but gargantuan. As technology evolves and becomes ever more integrated into our lives, the amount of data generated will skyrocket. Think of every click, every swipe, every digital interaction you have. Each one is a data point, contributing to this vast ocean of information. But with this increase comes the challenge of managing and analyzing it all. Here's where the exciting advancements in technology, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, come into play. They're like the skilled fortune tellers of our time, helping us to make sense of this big data deluge, turning it from an overwhelming flood into a powerful tool. Just like a crystal ball, big data has the potential to predict future trends, behaviors, and even outcomes. So, we're not just reacting to the world, but proactively shaping it. In conclusion, the future of big data is bright, with endless possibilities and opportunities.